Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the shop. We're driving down a country road right now, out of the way of the traffic, and I wanted to let you guys hear what a rear end howl noise sounds like and when you're going to experience it. Now, the very first thing you're going to notice is that it isn't always there. The rear gears are worn out. You simply have excessive slack or lash in the drivetrain. So you may only hear it when you're driving, actually putting your foot into the floor, or when you're letting off the pedal and you're on the coast side of the gears. So usually happens around higher speeds, 40 plus, usually 50 is the sweet spot. So let's get to a straight part of the road here, and we'll let you listen here, see if you have a good idea, and you can kind of self-diagnose your own vehicle. So here it is. Hold on, here comes 50. Hear that? Let off. In. Off. In. Off. So we have wear on the drive side of the pinion on there, the ring and pinion. It's just worn out by now. 185,000 miles, it's due. Here's a better sound bite of that noise. Off, on, off, on. That's how it's gonna sound.